Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how you can gather information about your Instagram audience using UiPath Studio. First of all, add in your workflow an Instagram scope and populate the access token and the account ID. After you did this, find the user audience activity and add it in the Instagram scope. Here you will see that there are multiple options about the audience info that you can retrieve. For example, you can get data about the audience city, country, or gender and age. For this demo, let's choose to get data about the audience city. Good. Next step, look at the output data from this activity would be of type dictionary of string and integer. So let's also create a variable to store the output data. Good. Next step will be to iterate through this dictionary. So we are going to use a for each activity. The item would be of type key value pair of string and integer. Good. Let's rename it to KVP in dictionary audience. Okay, and we are going to use some write lines to display the data. So for the key, which is KVP dot key, and for the value, which can be accessed by KVP dot value. Okay, the value will be of type integer, so we will convert it to string. Great. So at this point, we are ready to run our workflow. So we're going to hit run. Great. So let's see the data that we retrieved. Basically, we have the value of the number of followers that my user profile has from each city. Great. But what can I do with this data? Maybe you are asking. Maybe we want to answer the question, where are most of my followers coming from? Which city? To do this, we can use a couple of LINQ statements. I already have them here. First one will work to give us the maximum value from this dictionary, whereas the second one will give us the key which corresponds to that maximum value. Therefore, if we after this use a write line and output the max key, it will simply give us the city from which most of my followers come. So as we see here, in my case, most of my followers come from Bucharest, which I can also see here, like there are 353 followers. Then it's very simple to actually change the audience info that we want to retrieve in the Instagram scope. So if we maybe change it to gender and age and hit run again, the robot will simply give us like which age group and gender most of my followers come from. In my case, it's females between 18 and 24 years old. Great. So that would be all. Hope you find it useful and stay tuned for the next video.